Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning about the 10 most commonly used conjunctions. Let's get started. And.
Y.
I eat and drink.
Como y bebo.
But.
Pero.
I want to go, but I'm tired.
Quiero ir, pero estoy cansado.
Or.
O.
Tea or coffee.
Té o café.
Because.
Porque.
I stay because it's late.
Me quedo porque es tarde.
If.
Sí.
If it rains, I stay.
Si llueve, me quedo.
When.
¿Cuándo?
Call me when you arrive.
Llámame cuando llegues.
While.
Mientras.
I listen while I work.
Escucho mientras trabajo.
Although.
Aunque.
Although it's cold, I go out.
Aunque hace frío, salgo.
Until.
Hasta que.
Wait until I come back.
Espera hasta que vuelva.
Since.
Desde.
I've been here since 2026.
Estoy aquí desde 2026.
Quiz time.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.